Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 Volvo XC40 T5 Inscription. This one is white. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 248 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. 19-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels. Brown leather interior, gloss black center console, gray wood trim, panorama sunroof, XC40 T5 badging. This one is all-wheel drive. Clean set of floor mats, 60/40 fold-down rear seats, power liftgate, blind spot assist, memory seats, power seats, steering wheel controls, a push-start ignition, touchscreen media display, rear view backup camera, climate controls, hard keys for a media display, USB ports, automatic transmission. This Volvo has 13,050 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Volvo, visit us at feldmannimports.com.